Hey guys, welcome back. Today we want to review the Splendide Combo Washer and Dryer, the 2200X CD. We suggest reading the owner's manual for safety warnings, even if you've used similar models in the past. We bought our rig used, and the Splendide that came with it was old tech. The previous owner indicated that the heating elements were bad. Well, our troubleshooting found the vent hose to be completely clogged with lint and compacted as hard as concrete, and the heating elements, they were the least of the problems. So we investigated and upgraded with a modern Splendide WDV 2200X CD. And if you've bought a new dishwasher for the home lately, you've probably noticed these newer models are much quieter and much more efficient on the water, detergent, and energy that they use. These new combo washer and dryer units are the same. They may take a little more time than your home models or older combo units that you may have used in the past. However, I believe you'll find you save more than time and convenience by doing a small load every day or two. And when you're traveling, it is really nice to have clean sheets and clean clothes without worry. Also, this unit does not have your typical type of lint trap, but it does use a filter to catch small debris and lint. Cleaning is suggested at 6-month intervals. We clean more often, and the instructions are on page 10 of the manual. One note about this machine and loading: you should avoid washing only 1 or 2 light items, as this causes an imbalance during operation, and also avoid overloading, as your clothes will not get as clean or dry as quickly. Operation, that's easy. Simply select the cycle you want, in this case lightly soiled, which takes about 25 minutes. Notice the wash icon above the 0. This indicates that you are going to wash only and not continue to the dry cycle automatically. A quick note: this unit does have a safeguard against unintentional activation, such as you might want in an RV. Just pressing the start button will not start the unit. You must hold it for at least 2 seconds and no more.
Yes.
The yellow bar indicator on the left is your water temperature, high in this case, and the red bar indicator at the bottom is your speed for spin, also high. When the cycle starts, the door locks automatically, as indicated by the red lock symbol that appears between the bar indicators. And although the times for the cycle selected are displayed, we found that these times are approximations, and the actual time can vary considerably. If you did not select a dry time when you started the wash cycle, when the wash ends, you can select the dry mode cycle you prefer, which has a defined time already. Sometimes, if you're going to be at the RV for a long while, it is more convenient to select a wash cycle and a timed dry cycle together when starting. Just select the wash cycle that you want, push the time to dry button multiple times, then lets you select your desired time, and then start. The display will show the total time necessary to process the load. And if you should need to pause the cycle for some reason, pushing the pause button will remove whatever you need, then restart by pushing and holding the start button for 2 seconds. We really enjoy the convenience and the results of our Splendide Combo unit. I hope you found this video helpful, informative, and please help us out with a like if you did. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care.